For this demo of the Truepic Vision virtual inspection platform, I'll be walking you through an example site inspection to verify a draw. First, we'll see how the borrower or other designated contact completes the inspection on their mobile device. Then we'll switch over to the Vision dashboard to show how you, as the organization, would review the results. We'll start on the borrower side. I'm going to pull up my smartphone and walk you through the experience as the applicant. As you can see on the phone, the applicant received a text message with a link instructing them to complete a virtual inspection. If they need to send the link to someone else, like their contractor on site, they can forward the link and that person can access the inspection. From the text message, they simply click on the link, accept the terms, and get started immediately. No login or account setup required. The logos and colors are also fully configurable to match your brand, so the experience for your customers is consistent and familiar. Now you can see the specific items included in the inspection request. These are fully customizable. You can create the inspection list to match your requirements, choosing from photo or video submissions, as well as collecting additional information through short answer or multiple choice questions. You can also customize templates for different loan or project types, saving your team time from recreating instructions via email. Starting with the first item, take a picture of the installed cabinets. I can click in, opens the camera, and I can take the picture. Because the customer is required to take new photos of the project, they can't be altered. You can ensure they're recent and taken at the site. Moving on to the next request, photos of completed drywall of all floor walls in the living room. For this example, let's say that only one wall was actually done, so I decided to fudge a little bit and take a picture of that one wall 4 times. Once I've completed all the questions and photo requests, I hit finish inspection and then I'm all done. The median time we see it takes to complete an inspection is just about 10 minutes. Now we'll switch over to the Vision dashboard where your team can immediately see the results from the inspections. On the left, you can see if there's any problems with any of the images or videos captured. First, there's a warning indicating that these photos were taken at a different address than the project address. This makes it really easy to catch anyone trying to pass off photos from a different project. Some of our customers have even seen photos submitted from Home Depot. Now let's take a look at the photos I took of the walls. While it looks like the photos could have been taken of 4 different walls, on the map you can see the direction that the device was pointing when the pictures were taken. And as you can see, it shows that they were all taken in the same direction, not in 4 different directions as you might have expected. This is useful for catching any attempts at misrepresenting project progress. This is just a glimpse of what you can do with Truepic Vision. To learn how Vision can be customized to your needs and workflows and used in other areas of the loan cycle, contact us to schedule a full demo.